Hey everybody, welcome to the garage. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on swapping out the blades for a Honda HRX Lawn Mower. Alright, for this project all we need is a pair of gloves, a 14mm wrench, and a new pair of blades. Before turning the mower onto its side, it's a good idea to turn off the fuel valve. This is located on the left side of the mower. Just turn the valve so it is oriented vertically, like that. The easiest way to access the blades is going to be to turn the lawnmower up on its side. With the lawnmower on its side, you can see that it has two bolts that hold the matched set of blades on the bottom of the lawnmower. They are both 14mm sockets. You want to stabilize the blades from spinning. The easiest way to do that would be by holding onto the blades while loosening the bolts. Once you get them a little loose, they're easily removed by hand. One of the things that makes this such an effective mower is that it has a matched set of blades that makes it much more effective for mulching and making finer clippings. It makes it last a bit longer too when you're bagging because you can fit a lot more grass into the bag. When replacing the new blades back onto the mower, it is important to note that the narrow tapered blades are the top set, and they go closer to the bottom of the lawnmower, with the ones that have the flared edges going on the bottom. All right, once you get them finger tight, go ahead and tighten them the rest of the way with the wrench. These do not need to be too incredibly tight, but I would definitely make them fairly snug with just the wrench. All right, that's all it takes.